I used one beet, very large beet. You can either cook them by boiling them for about an hour or bake them in an oven for about an hour, but you can also buy pre-cooked beets at a grocery store if you prefer. I'm using a springform pan here. However, you can use a regular 9-inch pan. Just make sure that you put a piece of parchment at the bottom and butter and flour the sides so that the cake does not stick. Springform just makes it a little easier. Is a good quality chocolate here. It is 100 grams of good quality chocolate, which is just slightly more than the chocolate bar that I've purchased. So I just used a few semi-sweet chocolate chips to come up to 100 grams. I am using a water bath to melt my chocolate and my butter here. However, you can also use the microwave in 20-second increments. Just make sure you put the products in a microwave safe bowl, not metal. I'm also using a vanilla paste here, which is a fabulous product. It's a little pricey, but if you don't have it, then feel free to use just regular pure vanilla extract here. You can separate eggs either by going from shell to shell, or you can just pour them into your fingers, and then the egg white will fall through your fingers and the yolk will be left in your hand. I thought I was going to whisk these egg whites by hand, and then I thought, who are you kidding? So at that point, I got out the stand mixer and whipped them to a stick with the stand mixer. So when you're folding in egg whites, you're going to just go to the middle and cut in and turn the bowl. Cut in, middle, cut in. You don't have to be too delicate with it, but you just want to mix until the white is combined into the chocolate cake. And there are no streaks left, but it doesn't have to be exact. It's a very forgiving cake. This is a easy, simple cake. So just put it in your prepared tin, bake it for 40 minutes or until a toothpick's inserted and it comes out clean. This is a really nice moist cake and it stays moist for days. You will be amazed at how good it is. Worth a try. Give it a try. Come on, don't hate the beet.